This is again another stupid concept, unconditional. Any love or any enmity is only conditional. Yesterday you fought with me, that doesn't mean that I am going to fight with you now. Yesterday the condition was different, today the condition is different. Raat gayi to baat gayi. So your friendship or enmity is always conditional. It's not unconditional enmity or unconditional love. Once you are enemy, you are always enemy. It's never like that. Once you are friendly, you are always friendly. No. If Naga Srinivas is funny, I will not be a friend to Naga Srinivas. Only when he is friendly with me, then only I will be friendly with him. If he is acting stupidly, then I will cease to be a friend with Naga Srinivas. My friendship with Naga Srinivas depends upon his friendship with me. My openness with Naga Srinivas will be dependent upon his openness with me. If he is acting funnily, I will also act funnily. There is no question of unconditional love at all. It's another stupid concept available everywhere. Unconditional love. Very, very funny. And very, very stupid. Not PSSM. In PSSM, everything is conditional. Your friendship is conditional. Your enmity is also conditional. Yesterday you spoke something stupid, so I didn't speak to you. But today, when you are speaking, I will again listen whether you are talking sense or nonsense. If today you are talking nonsense, I won't speak to you. And today, if you are speaking sense, I will talk to you. Definitely, I will talk to you. What I do today doesn't depend upon what I did yesterday. The way I react today to you doesn't depend upon the way I reacted to you yesterday. Raat gayi to baat gayi. Everything is conditioned. Depends upon the present situation. Present scenario. Not on the past scenario and past. Doesn't flow from the past. All your actions and reactions flow from the present. And the present conditions may be different, are different. I'll give you some example. Krishna said, I will never hold a weapon in my hand. But after 10 days of war, Krishna went to Bhishma, catching his weapon in his hand. I will kill Bhishma myself. Krishna ran towards Bhishma to kill Bhishma. But Arjuna stopped him. So, it is unconditional. You may have given a word to somebody that I will come to your house. But after some time, when your mother is not well, you can't go to his house. Just because you have given a word that I will come to, that doesn't mean you are going to their house not automatically. In the current moment, my mother is not well, so I have to take care of my mother. So I'll go against my word that I will come to Naga Srinivas' house. The conditions are different. When I gave a word to Naga Srinivas that I will come to his house, my mother was okay. But now my mother is not okay. So I have to take care of my mother. The conditions are different. So I'll go against my own word. There is no question of unconditional sticking to your word, Baba. Everything is conditional. All the time. For all the people. Right?
Thank you so much.